Good morning. Sunday morning, and today is going to be a North Shore day. We're getting ready. So, we have this, I think it's a rip curl bag, right? Giant rip curl bag. And we're gonna pack all of our beach things. We got our books. Michi's reading this one. It's 100 Years of Solitude, right? It's in Spanish. It's by this Spanish guy, and she says it's kind of weird, but she's still reading it. I'm taking this one, The Courage to Be Disliked. I've heard a little bit about it, and I found it on sale at Barnes & Noble, so I picked it up. I'm about halfway through, and hopefully I'll finish it at the beach, because I'm tired of reading it. But I want to finish it, because I already said it. We have our blankets, or towels, sorry. Sunscreens, some options. This face one that my mom got me, super nice. It's mineral sunscreen. This other mineral sunscreen, lower SPF, but I don't know. I'm taking it as a backup. And then this one that's a little harder to spread, but I think it's better, right? Like good ingredients and stuff. It's also only 30 SPF. So it's basically the same as this one.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but they're all reef safe. And this one feels like it goes on a little bit more white, so it feels like it really does block. But we have options. Rain jacket in case it rains. Because it is a rainy day today, but I think North Shore should be fine. And our hats. So we can read in the sun. I need to take sunglasses too. Sunglasses, wallet, maybe journal? But yeah, we're getting ready. All right, we made it to North Shore.
I don't need the hat. Oh, it's rainy.
No, it's so much rainier than I was expecting. I said today was going to be a nice clear day on North Shore. But the rain stopped right now. Hopefully it stays dry for a little bit. We're at Sunset Beach.
Yeah.
Yeah, so kind of a new place for us. And it looked like there was some surf competition going on.
Yeah.
It said like Lexus Pipe Pro or something, right? So let's go check it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, looked cool. And it's kind of crowded for being as rainy as it is.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I'm excited to see it. Tired?
Yeah.
You look like a wet puppy.
Oh, that was fun.
It was coming down. We sat in the rain for a while, but we had to get up because I was worried all of our stuff was going to get wet.
Yeah, well, it was very wet.
It's wet, but I was worried things would get damaged if we stayed out longer. But it was cool. So many surfers.
Yeah.
The surf competition starts tomorrow, so they were like setting up everything today. Waves are pretty small, but there are a lot of people. So
Yeah, and they weren't constant waves.
yeah, it was really fun to watch.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna surf pipeline. In 5 years from now? No. But yeah, it was cool. I guess we can get moving.